Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you secret tips to reach high streaks in Vita Mahjong mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, just start the game. Now focus on quick matches. The faster you match tiles, the higher your streak grows. Scan the board for easy matches first, especially on the top and the outer layer. Plan your moves ahead, don't just watch tiles randomly. Think one or two moves ahead to avoid blocking important tiles. Matching multiple pairs in a row gives bonus points and increase your streak faster. Stay calm under pressure. High streak requires concentration. Don't panic if the board looks tricky. Take a moment to spot matches, then continue smoothly. Finally, practice consistently. The more you play, the faster you get at spotting tiles and planning combos. Daily practice is key to keep long streaks alive. And that's it. Focus on quick matches, play ahead, chain combos, stay calm and practice daily. Follow these secret tips and you will reach high streaks in Vita Mahjong app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.